Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video 12 best website to make money online. If you want to earn extra cash, turn to use these money making websites. You don't anyways have speed money to make money. If you want launching a side gig, a great at regular part-time income. If you're looking for some quick extra sketch, there are websites that can help you do it. Understand these top resources to make money online. Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, History.com, TaskRabbit.com, Wonder.com, TripUp.com, Swipe.com, Gazelle.com, Carsell.com, OfferUp.com, Naked.com, Mary by Amazon. Dipping on whether looking earn extra money quick, a builder log trumps income stream. Each of the following website offer unique advertised and something discovery. Upwork, how to work. Upwork strictly meeting site where business and freelancing targets the world can connect it to be collection bit certificate project business hire freelancer for factory difficult service increase warranted web designing running SEO campaigns and pretty much any work they can be doing. A computer highlights Upwork task a commission for from 5 to 20%, but that more money make the last commission is drag back. Upwork is be successful that the a lot a content on the website and that can be real dark web for popular who websites the site Siri such owner of the digital marketing aggregator turned cancelled the shift web guys before I started my business in web designing. A great profile on websites such Upwork and bring best strategy attention from buyer on this platform because there are such so much complaint and so much was made impossible to complete with other price so lowered दूसरा the sole price and for we working for next nothing but the possible feedback media his profile look better and Darusa strategy changing moves all target platform like Upwork can helpful building profile and internal client because I am glad of them and any my owner Tarusa say Fiverr how to work that is also popular website can helpful for freelancers. Now something about digital earn mode. You can work somewhere who don't have this skill and pick up some extra such better your offer completes research something is fast cash highlights you can make good money from sites, strategies, designing, and digital strategy. Albon New York Wuran to personal company client Bitcoin designing he make money source Fiverr profile add gag description rewriting commission the value of the follow with inquiry by ask good question a quick written reply insurance they owed them hiring describe say downbacks blockchain successful X Fiverr name you come the fact that many people using work from $5 is task you can ask for more and regularly shortly but allows your personal client or your problem exchange your work next to nothing strictly how to work if you strictly type of personal who can make customer jewelry refrigeration instant place to sell your product highlights its easy negative the site setup shop Dove packs there are a lots compared a website on hand the building big and lost people selling stuff easy feel a title overwhelming task repeat how to work are waiting hands three people come to this site spending to spelling to task such what target become client a great running and earned do as many tasks went cold become quick part time or full time jobs. Highlights you can apply tasks but you can also profile explain what task you are available from and scale it people my expand scanning your out for work dark pack alerts task funding task rebate or is noted physical like setting up that's your jump set plus wonderful how to work people come on the site need research wonderful does here just any but you can apply the process task a 5 minute according to website but in choose your answer question coming from business exchange or other written book highlights research report making on average $8 to $16 from each detailed answer and job sites suggested recharges can make average above $20 an hour and shortly wonderful offer and ideas gig from this enjoy to process research and prove when to make money fast trip of how to work with along fun this e-commerce company appeal third party looking make money and selling crash the hair store personal meditators value highlights the process as party easy theory up stop how to work like startup shop and online customer store offer send cost experiment something price than $10 USD highlights car sale The popular sites offer up how to work energy hold years. Many explain, but yes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest mission update. Thanks for watching.